Hello good people and welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi Shapumba, aka Nee the Hustler. If you are new here, welcome. Please do click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. I don't know if it's this side or this side, but do click on it. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's also great to have you back here. We hope you get to stay this time around. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much to each and every one of you. I really do appreciate you guys a whole lot. So in today's video, as you read from the title of this video, we are unboxing a package from a friend I've never ever met, right? So this is the story. As a new YouTuber or as a small YouTuber, I didn't really know how to go about how to edit my videos. So I was so curious, I did a bit of research and I came across this other post on Instagram that said people should share, what they use or how they edit their videos in hopes to assist other people. So I went to this comment specifically. I clicked on it and I was like, oh, okay. So she uses iMovie, and then I went to her profile, her Instagram profile, and I checked her profile. It was proper, and I clicked on a link to her YouTube channel, and I was like, the videos were proper. The videos were proper. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna shoot my shot and I'm gonna DM her and just in hope that she's going to help me. This is one thing that people don't understand, or maybe you don't understand why I had to do this video. Mostly women find it hard to support one another. I don't know why we don't support each other. Like, I feel like if we can stand together and support one another, we can do great things. We can achieve so many things. We can all eat. We can all have a big bite out of a big apple, guys. It's not that hard. It really isn't. So I shoot my shot and I DM'd her and I asked her how she edits a video, what she uses, and if she can tell me, I'd really appreciate it. My girl just shared everything like this. It was just coming in, and she went as far as, I think she could notice that I couldn't really understand some of the things that she was saying, so she went on her iMovie and screen grabbed and sent it back to me, and we've been friends ever since. Her name is Yolande. So this is the package that she sent me. Mind you, it's not even my birthday. So Mokel, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I didn't expect this. My birthday is in March. I didn't expect this. Like, this is all the way from Durban, guys. This is all the way from Edebing. Like, I'm in Bumalanga, in Naspoti, and this is from Edebing. So I just had to do this video so I can relive this moment. I don't even have a scissors, guys. I hope I'm not. Shoo, batong. Okay. I hope I'm not going to. Excuse, guys. I didn't think I was gonna need a scissors. This girl, you guys. I already know what this is. I already know what this is. Y'all don't know what this is, but I know what this is. Oh my gosh, Yolandi. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just open it. I know what it is, so I can reveal it. I hope I'm not gonna tear it. Oh my gosh, Yolandi. Oh my goodness. I easily cry, so I'm trying not to cry. So I'll just... Oh, Yolandi. This girl. Guys, I have a friend in her. It is a jewelry box, guys. There's a letter. She's so extra. It's a jewelry box, guys. I'll tell you the story. Oh my gosh, I can put all my watches. I can put all my watches there, guys. My phone doesn't want to focus. I don't know if you guys can see. Yolandi, I'll tell you the story about this jewelry box. So what had happened was I saw it on her story on Instagram and I really wanted it, but because of certain situations that I needed to take care of, I couldn't get it anymore. So I told her I was gonna get it, and then I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna get it anymore because of 1 2 3, and she understood. And I'm trying not to cry. Okay. Woo. Okay, Naomi, calm down. Okay. I really wanted this, guys, and because I couldn't get it, I didn't think she was gonna get it for me. And the next thing she was like, Naomi, give me your address. And then I was like, okay. I was like, okay, what do you want to send me? She's like, no, just give me your address. So I gave it to her, and I think 3 days later she sent me the receipt, and she said I can trace it, and I did, and I got exactly what this is from Durban, guys. This is all this is a person that I've never met, and she's been there for me, guys. I only met her in February this year, and whoo, I'm trying very hard not to cry, guys. I'm such an emotional person and I hate it. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! She's been my friend. She's been amazing. She's one of a few people that I actually trust with everything, literally. When I can't edit my video, when I need information on something, I just go to her, and she's ready to share. I'm sure you've noticed, if you can go back to my videos, you will realize that she's notification gang. Whenever my video comes up, she's like gang, and she's been so genuinely supportive. I'm trying not to cry. I'm trying not to cry, guys. Whoa. Ooh. So I can put my watches over here, and I can put my earrings over here. I am thinking, I'm even mumbling. I'm thinking this is where I can put my necklaces. I don't know, but wow. I really wanted this, Yolandi. Oh, my friend, you have outdone yourself. Like, yo, Yolandi, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, guys. Yolandi has been my friend. Like I said, she's always been there. We even built a relationship where I ask her to, you know, to give me an honest input on my videos, if they're okay, if they're not okay. She's been there. Yolandi Yena. She's so supportive. She's amazing. To think that this is a woman that I've never ever met in my life. I met her on social media, and then we became friends, and we have such a special bond. Like, we talk every day, and whenever I post an Insta story or a picture on my Instagram, she's there, you know, commenting, leaving likes, leaving, like, she's that friend that makes you motivates you, that keeps you going, that inspires you, you know. I had an interview with Wiggle Tunes the other day, and she was one of the first people who was there, you know, to watch, because we did a Zoom. It's an online radio, and she was there. She was just, you know, hyping me up. She was just commenting and sending hearts, and oh, Yolandi, and oh, I don't know, like, guys, she's amazing. I wish we can support each other the way, oh, Yolandi, and guys, yo, my girl, you're gonna see this, you're gonna see okay, this is a letter. I'm not gonna read it. I'm not gonna read it here. Oh, guys, I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm just emotional, and I'm trying very hard not to cry. Like, I am so grateful, my friend. Like, I really love you. This is like a dedication to Uyolandi Ntsele, sorry. Her Instagram page is Yolandi DIY. Her YouTube channel is Yolandi DIY. Like, her work is amazing. just genuine person that I met this year, and I had no idea we were going to become this close. Ladies, let's just support one another. Let's love one another. We can all do this. We can all win. Like, we can all do this together, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe and click on the notification bell. Please do follow me on Instagram at Naomi_Yomi. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I want to cry, but hey, I'm trying to be strong, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much, Yolandi. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.